The breakaway along the Parottee main road in St. Elizabeth has been fixed. A small step in a huge problem, according to residents of the coastal community. As Jamila Maitland explains, last week's flash flood triggered another wave of worry for the community that collapsed under the wrath of Hurricane Melissa.
There's a collective sigh of relief in Parottee and St. Elizabeth after the breakaway along the main road has been temporarily fixed. Residents provided our news team with videos of the completed work. TVJ News visited the community back in December.
This is the furthest I'm able to go on the Parottee main road in St. Elizabeth. The community is literally cut off one end to the other. This happened during Hurricane Melissa, where the sea and the pond collided. Now, residents have been using some alternative means to get to the other side. I'm gonna ask my videographer just to zoom in to see two persons. The residents have placed sticks in what is like the shallow area of the pond to guide them to the other side. One misstep could mean going in to some very, very deep waters.
Walking through the water right now, stingray, people saw stingray. You can buck up and even lionfish. Crocodile, shark, see me, risky, you know.
It's dangerous.
It's dangerous.
People prefer walk.
Yeah.
But the flash flood that ended last week almost disrupted their peace yet again. The Parottee pond and the sea joined forces, washing up worries and spitting back up the trauma of Hurricane Melissa. And even as the work to fix the community continues, we ask residents, is it working?
So when this work finish, to save the community, you have to move to another one. And as you can see, the sea take time, take away the house right here. You understand me? And behind this house over there, there's another water also.
Environment Minister Matthew Samuda says with weather events expected to intensify in the future, some communities will become uninhabitable. Is Parottee one of them?
Many areas are going to become unlivable because insurance premiums are going to outstrip the capacity of mortgagors to support real estate development. Our coastal developments are already threatened by increases in premiums. Some areas are simply becoming uninsurable because of the frequency of the events that we're facing.
Sandwiched by a pond and the Caribbean Sea, Parottee is particularly vulnerable to climate change-related disasters. It's also home to hundreds of families. So what then is the catch?
We feed the nation in Jamaica fishing. This community is a big fishing village. So we live off a pelican bar and fishing. And you have other fish vendors who sell fish. That's our main income. Nobody else do nothing else. That's where this community survives off of.
For Ridge Harvey and his family, they're hooked in Parottee for life. Some have salvaged boats and are back on the high seas. Others are forced to wait on government assistance to give them that much-needed 2026 start. Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.